In today's video, I'm going to teach you organizing your assignments in Microsoft Word, structure and file management. Organizing your assignments goes beyond making the text look neat. It's about building a clear structure inside the document and keeping your files tidy so you can work faster and avoid mistakes. Let's start with the document itself and then move into a simple system for managing your files. First, turn on the navigation pane so you can see a clickable outline of your paper. Go to the View tab and check Navigation pane. This gives you an instant map of your sections, which is incredibly helpful for long assignments. You can jump around quickly and spot missing or misplaced sections at a glance. Next, use Styles from the Home tab for all headings. Apply Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and so on. Avoid manually bolding and resizing text. Styles keep formatting consistent and professional. They also power the navigation pane and make it possible to generate a table of contents automatically. If you want a different look, modify the style once and the entire document updates. When your headings are in place, insert a table of contents. Go to the References tab, choose Table of Contents, and select an automatic option. As you add or rename sections, you can update the text so the page numbers and titles stay accurate. Use page breaks to start major sections, like your references or a new chapter, on a fresh page. Go to the Insert tab and choose Page Break, rather than pressing Enter multiple times. This keeps your layout stable even as you edit. To save time from the start, consider using a template. If your assignment follows APA or MLA, opening a pre-formatted template helps you focus on writing and ensures consistent, polished organization from the beginning. Now, let's organize your files. Create a clear folder structure, such as a semester folder with one folder per course, and inside each course, dedicated folders for drafts, finals, and lecture notes. Use descriptive file names instead of generic ones. A helpful pattern includes the course code, assignment name, version, and date, like ENG 101_research paper _draft 1_20251120 docs. It's easy to identify the latest version and share correctly. Save early and often, and use cloud storage like OneDrive so your work is backed up and accessible from any device. Turning on autosave can add extra peace of mind. Finally, keep a checklist inside your Word document. Use bullets or the to-do tag to capture requirements and steps. Check items off as you complete them, and remove the checklist before submitting if needed. With these practices, your assignments will be easier to write, revise, and submit with confidence.